You are going to love the 2007 Chevrolet Colorado. This two-door, three-passenger truck still has less than 25,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 2 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.